Hey, welcome back. So, how to create effective lead magnets. This is going to be a very important part of the YouTube funnel that we have already reviewed in the past. And having said that, let's get started. The first thing, what is the purpose of a lead magnet? Basically, it is just to increase the trust that your target market has in you and your offers by you providing expertise and demonstrating competence by providing something for free, right? Because, and this is something that we will review in a little bit, the market, your market, my market, judge us based on our free stuff, not our paid stuff, right? So it's very important that the free stuff, the sales assets, the lead magnets that we provide out there are really, really good to increase that level of relationship, that level of trust that they have with us, and convert more of that, all of that attention that we are helping you generate on YouTube, also your other organic efforts into actual paying customers and paying clients. This is going to be a crucial part of that process, the lead magnet. Having said that, let me show you what I would love to do is to give you some examples of lead magnets that you can create. Also show you one of our lead magnets within our company so that you have context and actually know how this looks like in practice. So let's begin. Basically also to provide context. So when you're creating a lead magnet, basically what you have to do is that we are going to be trying to solve a micro problem within the whole macro problem that our services actually solves. So let's say that in our case, we are providing like the whole done for you YouTube organic marketing services, right? So we take care of the optimization of the channel, posting the videos, helping you with this, putting together this YouTube funnel, editing the videos, thumbnail design, and there's like a million of micro steps that need to be taken in order for all of these like service and all of these process to work for our clients to grow their personal brands, post high quality content, generate leads, all of that. What is a lead magnet? A perfect lead magnet that I can create for my company is, for example, teaching my target audience how to design effective thumbnails or how to properly structure the script of their videos, or how to, what are the best practices for editing videos, or a checklist on how to properly upload a YouTube video. Because all of these things are micro steps, micro things that they need to do in order to get their goals on YouTube, right? Or get closer to their goals on YouTube. And since we as a company at Hex Studio are providing like that whole done for you YouTube solution, so helping our target market solve those specific pain points and specific problems, help us gain their trust, position us as an authority, as experts, and makes it more likely for those people to further down the line become our clients, right? This is something that we have implemented and something that has clearly worked for us. Maybe in your particular case, you were someone that started working with us because you saw upfront the value that we could provide because of our free stuff, like our free content, the lead magnets that we send you, or that you receive, that you consume, all of that. So you know that like this process works, and it's important for you to implement it as well. Let me show you this lead magnet that we have like within our company. It's called YouTube Thumbnail Secrets Handbook. So this is basically how I structure it. Let's review it. It's to provide context, of course. It's a document where I explain what is the whole psychology behind designing thumbnails, what is the process that we within our team like follow, and what is the recommendation for basically designing those thumbnails that gets you that high click-through rate and a lot of views and attention from your target market or audience. So I just here like added like 1 to 2 minutes long video. This is just more for kind of like provide context on what is the document going to be about, but also showing my face for the first time for some people, getting to make them feel more comfortable seeing my face, hearing my voice, like trying to like start to create that connection with my audience, right? So here's a short video about that. Then the welcome, that is basically me laying down the expectations of the people that consuming and like read the whole written document. Then the table of contents, then we have the introduction. And the introduction, what I'm doing is that I'm explaining, like I'm giving basically people the idea that they have two options to either implement all of these a micro solution that I'm providing by themselves, or partnering with a company like the right company, that in this case could be us. I proceed to explain who we are, our social proof, the type of clients that we have worked with in the past, our philosophy, what is specifically what we provide, our process, and stuff like that, and do like a very brief sort of like, or not subtle, but like a very brief call to action to our like to book a call directly with us for people that might be interested. And if not, I simply, pardon me, proceed with the actual like explanation and valuable concepts that I wanted to provide to my audience, right? So model one, in this case, the psychology behind great thumbnails, and I proceed to explain exactly in a very plain language, in a very simple language, things that are going to be like actually valuable and actionable for people that read these, right? So I provide like a very detailed explanation. I give examples, explain like those examples. Then we go to model two. So minor mistakes, major consequences. I explain more things. You can see that everything is well presented, looks good, is brief, is concise, is to the point, is actually valuable. So I just continue, model three. So I even provided like an additional checklist within that lead magnet. So there's a lot of things that goes into this, and not all of your lead magnets needs to be like this detail, but it's important, and I'll explain this in a bit. It's important that the free stuff that you give away, it's actually valuable, right? Because like, if you, let's say that someone shows a little bit of interest in that micro problem that you're offering to solve with that lead magnet, based on the call to action that you did on your YouTube video, right? You're offering, hey, yeah, if you might be interested in solving this, go ahead to the description and get this white thing that I developed. And that person that could potentially be interested at this moment on your specific services, get that thing, and they read it, and it doesn't provide any value, or it isn't what you offer, or it's just not valuable, right? It's not useful. What do you think is going to happen? The possibilities, any chances that you had of that person actually becoming a client, even though if they had the specific challenge or problem that you solved, just went away, right? You're not going to be closing that client because you damage the trust that you could have built with the lead magnet, because the free stuff that you provided wasn't good enough. So it's important that this free stuff that we give away is actually valuable in every sense. So yeah, anyway, I continue with the lead magnet, and at the end, I just do another call, like more detailed call to action, right? So your next steps, attention. I did a little bit of copy here to try to persuade people to actually know more about their services, feel more enticed about what we do. Then identifying the pain points of our audience, the benefits of our service, or the benefits of our service, our process, and another call to action. So you can see, and more social proof here, right? So results and stuff like that. So you can see basically what we did in all of these lead magnet is we identified a micro problem with the whole macro problem that our service solves. We turn it into a well-written, very well explained, very valuable and useful document. And within that document, we put multiple like call to actions and providing social proof, providing the results that we have gotten for our clients, and a lot of other things that show our expertise, authority, and authority in that area of domain. And did a call to action to try to get people to book a call with us. So that's kind of like a tangible example of how these lead magnets work, how they are developed and built, basically. So the idea is that you also identify something in case that you don't have it yet, or in case that you have but you want to create more, that you identify what are some of the other micro problems that your target audience has, and develop something that is going to be valuable for them. Some examples and ideas for you to maybe consider: it could be a training, it could be a webinar, a 1 hour webinar, or a 1 hour masterclass. It can be, you can pitch as a lead magnet like a free case study video where you're going to be providing unique insights. It could be a checklist, a plan, a formula, spreadsheet, whatever is a resource that you know is going to be valuable and that will actually solve a specific micro problem of your target audience that is within the macro problem that your most high ticket or most valuable service solves. That is what you are going to be giving away as a lead magnet. So something, that's basically the whole explanation. Lead magnets are also like a synonym of a sales asset, is the same. As I mentioned, they need to be very truly valuable. The market judges based on the free stuff, not the paid. and also making sure that all of the lead magnets that we produce have a clear call to action for the most interested people to actually take the next step, right? As we say, also, this is a very effective thing to do in terms of the reputation, because in some way you are, with all of the YouTube videos, you are giving away in giving away in public. So to the public audience, you are just giving, and we are selling in private, because the selling, quote unquote, to book a call with our sales team and all of that only happens within the lead magnet. So only the people that get the lead magnet, that are the most engaged leads, and the people that have the highest chances of actually becoming the clients, are the ones that are going to be seeing our pitch, that sale. So yeah, giving public, selling private, something that works really well on YouTube. So that's my recommendation. Let's apply this. Again, if you may have any questions, or your team may have any questions, please let me know. The idea is that all of these videos, you can also send them to your specific team, so that they understand the framework behind these things, how the process works, and maybe help you build some of these things, or yeah, some of this infrastructure that we may need for making the whole Don't Forget YouTube service that we are providing to you work and get you the specific desired results that you want to achieve. So having said that, please let me know, as always, if you may have any questions. Our team is here to help you and assist you through this whole process and guide you through this. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Take care.